Welcome to my knowledge. In today's video we will create L-type stairs and then render it just like this. So let's begin the tutorial. First thing in making L-type stairs is to change units from decimal to architectural and from millimeter to feet. OK, and then OK. Then I will draw one step that is 10 inches wide and 3 feet high. Now zoom this rectangle, copy it, from this corner and place it over here. Keep doing it until you reach the first steps before the turn. I think 6 steps are good enough before turn. Then make another rectangle of 3 feet, 3 feet. We'll move it from this corner till this point. Now again copy a rectangle from this point and place it over here. Then rotate it about this vertex, the lower vertex, just like this. Now I will copy again and move in this direction until the last step. If we count it, the count is okay, then we will move to isometric view. Using press pull, I will rise the steps up to, let's say the height is 9 inch, the rise is 9 inch. So I will use press pull command for all the steps. This should be easy. If you don't know how to press pull, I have shared a link of tutorial for using the basic commands. So I'm trying to make 9 inch rise in each step. And the steps are ready. If we look at the realistic view, you can see the steps. I'll draw a line joining these edges till this point. Now offset this up to 10 inches downwards, just like this. Again, selection is on, so make sure you have on the selection. Okay, we have the lines ready. Now to trim this, we cannot directly trim it. For that we have to draw a line. So let's draw a line from the corner up to the top corner. Now using this line, I will trim this portion. You can draw another line over here. So after this, we will use press pull command to remove the material. Go towards the material and the material will be removed. We'll do for all the steps. If you make it from rectangles just like I did, you have to remove all the steps one by one, because you can only sketch in XY plane. We'll offset this. Now we'll draw another line starting from here up to certain distance. Now again, using press pull command, we'll remove these materials. By the end of it, we will have nothing left below the stairs. So the stairs are ready. Making the railing is easy. I have discussed it in my previous video, that is about spiral stairs. So if you don't know how to make spiral stairs or how to make the railings, you should go and watch that video. The link is in the description. Remove the extra lines. So now the stairs are ready. We just have to make the railings. For that, we will draw a line and then offset them. While drawing these lines, make sure you are drawing in XY plane, otherwise you will have trouble in making them. Now using offset command, we will offset this line to make the railing or path for the railing. See, if you are not in XY plane, you will have trouble in offsetting. Now join these by fillet command. So we have railing of one side. We will do the same for the other side. Place UCS over here. Then offset this line is like this. Now we will use fillet command again to join these lines. So click on the line that you want to keep. So that's it. The path is ready. After making the path, place your coordinate over here, offset this line. The offset height is totally up to you. In my case it is 3 feet. So now just join these two lines and we should be good to go for the railing. Again we will use fillet. Select these two lines. We have path for the railings. Now we will draw vertical line and join with this line, just like this. We'll do the same for the other step. Now using fillet, join these. So the path for railing is ready. I am removing this. If you want to keep them and then offset smaller pipes, you can do that as well. Now we will join these lines. Select all the lines. Select all the lines. Join. So this is how you can make the lower grills. See, it looks good now. We have to make the support, the vertical support as well. For vertical support, we will draw a line from this point till this line. Okay. We'll do the same for next step. Looks good, looks fine. Now we will draw the cross section of pipe. First join these and this one as well. Now we will draw the cross section of the pipe. The cross section should be around, let's say 1 inch. Okay, we'll place the same cross section. This you have to just press enter, sweep this along this path and sweep the other one along this path. Circle. Now select the polyline. So we have the railings. The top of the railing is ready. Now we will make some other circles. And let's isolate this one. And place circle at these ends. Place circle over here of 0.5 inch. Another circle. Then another one. And do the same for the rest of the pipes. Let's place over here as well and one over here. So now we just have to sweep it one by one. Sweep this one as well. Then we'll sweep this one. We'll do the same for these two. Let me turn off the selection. Now select the circle and path, circle and path, then circle and path. So the railing looks good. We'll do the same for the vertical pipes. So the finishing of the stairs totally depends upon you, how much time you invest in this. You can also pattern the vertical support if you make the path just like we did earlier, but I will just copy and paste it. If you make a path and pattern it along the path, it becomes very easy. If you want to see that, please watch my video about spiral stairs. In that I have discussed how to pattern along the path. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. If you want to see rendering, keep watching the video till the end. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't. Stay blessed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.